So, ngayon, napakarami nating mistakes doon sa ginawa nating I'm a Filipino Bicolana. Kaya ngayon, ayusin natin. Gawin nating 3 language, Tagalog, Bicol, English. Let's go. This rap has 3 language. Tagalog, Bicol, English. Do you wanna hear it? Yo, this is how I introduce myself. Let's go! I'm a Filipina Bicolana, living in my sweet town, Kalibanan, where my life has just begun. Nakapag-arayudain na magkadarangogan, may pagkapungok 1 plus 1 sagot Magellan, Island 7641, dialects with a 111. Yo! Way back 2001, yeah, I was born in February in QC, Pinas. Oo, madalas, time is fast. Love your mom and dad like home, wild like chrome. Wish I never had cell phone. Wish that I used all my time before I see my dad's name on a tomb. Yo, dada Ilocano, mama Bicolana. I was raised pag-isa, paya Pilipina. Mount Mayon, Daraga, Magayon. Dito sa Bicol, Tawagi, Oragon, Ginoong Hanjong, Ginoong Bantong. Ang kakanong, digdi maharangon, there's no Hennessy, no MP. Deganto lang abagan, pingi 50. This is the time I could rap. Oh, let me tell you my story. There is no cap. Way back 2013, Dada left us. I was scared. I was doing non-stop. I can't believe he was gone. Sobrang maaga naman kami ay iniwan. But Dada, I'll make you proud. Sooner or later, your daughter will rap in the crowd. Peace.